Hey everybody. So a question I get asked a lot is it still relevant to use a VPN in 2024? And in this video, I'm going to give you my top 4 reasons why you still may want to think about using a VPN even today. And you definitely want to stick around for the last one because it may surprise you. Now, a little disclaimer, it is often very tempting to use a free VPN, but using a free VPN is not exactly free. You see, they take your information as a form of payment. Now, ideally, they should use that information responsibly and keep you anonymous, but that is not always the case. Like last year at about the end of May, early June 2023, when a big free VPN company had a massive data leak and literally millions and millions of user data records were leaked over the internet. And while not every free VPN may be like that, there may be some good ones out there, you are definitely not getting anywhere near the level of performance, features, and overall level of product when you are using a free VPN as compared to a paid VPN. And if you want my recommendations for the top paid premium VPNs on the market, I will talk about it at the end of the video. And if you want to just find out about it right now, you can check out the description and there will be some more information about that. So now let's get into my top 4 reasons why you may want to use a VPN in 2024. And the first reason is maybe the most popular, and that is when you are using Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or any other type of streaming or content service where the offering may change dependent upon where you are located. As you see here, I'm using NordVPN and I can connect to a VPN location in India, and I should be able to now access Netflix's library in India. And this will work for many other streaming and content services of this nature. Now, the second reason why I believe using a VPN is still very relevant in 2024 is because although we do have many new forms of cybersecurity protection, there is also a new wave of scammer and hacker. One name comes to mind that you may have heard of, or you can look up. His name is PunchMadeDev, and he is a scammer who is on YouTube, and you can see how he just easily pulls people's credit card or bank information. That kind of thing is very scary, and using a VPN can really prevent somebody like that from scamming or hacking you. Now, the third reason why I believe using a VPN is very relevant today is for gaming. So anybody who's into gaming will know that they want the best speed, the lowest latency, and using a VPN can help with that, because if you know that there is, let's say, a game server in Iceland, as you can see now, I'm connected to the VPN server in Iceland. And if the game server was also in Iceland, then by shortening the distance between the VPN server and the game server, I could potentially get better ping and a faster connection to the game server. Now, the fourth and last reason why I believe using a VPN is very relevant today is for shopping, specifically when it comes to vacation and travel. And that's because companies selling flights or hotels or rental cars will very often inflate the price when they know there is demand. So let's say you live in the United States and you want to go to vacation in Cancun. During peak times, the companies know that people are looking to travel and they will raise the prices. But if you use your VPN to, let's say, connect to a server in Mexico, when you go to the website to buy a flight, they will see that you are located in Mexico and you may not get that high price that you may have gotten if they see that you are located in the States. So those are my top 4 reasons why you may want to use a VPN in 2024. My top recommendations for the best paid VPNs on the market are the one I'm using right here, NordVPN, and there is also ExpressVPN and Surfshark. All 3 of these VPNs are really just top of the line and I would say are the best out there. If you want to check any of them out, there is more information in the description down below, and there is also a really cool discount link that will save you some extra money if you do sign up. All of them come with a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you just want to try them out. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.